In this video demo of ExtremeLocation, we're going to highlight visitor trends, on-site guest engagements, and other compelling insights the platform delivers to businesses. Moving into the main dashboard, we can see how it can be configured into custom-built dashboards for the business and environment. In the case of this mall environment, the first dashboard we created was an overall view of what that on-premise activity looks like. For example, we can see here how many visitors enter the area, how many stay within a given area, how long they are staying there, or their dwell time, and the number of repeat visits that are documented in the system. In this case, the typical graph the owner of this facility likes to use is the one being shown to you right now. Here, we can see that on March 2nd, we had just over 12,000 visitors at this specific location. What the owner wants to know is, was there an event happening there? Was it a Saturday or a Sunday? We can see the trends here on the weekends and the comparisons to the in-week and historical trends. We can also track loyalty, so we can see how many visitors are repeat over specific periods of time. The second dashboard that we created was based on those zones, so those zones being categories. We've tied the courts and we've tied the hallways so that we can see out of the 12,000 people that attended the March 2nd event, what did the main court look like? If I go to the main court and I go back and look at the third and expand this, I could see that in the main court we had 470 visitors and we had 274 associates walk by. This is close to a food court, so this is a very accurate depiction of how guests engage on that given day. The next data point we'll share about categories and zones is zone flow. What entranceway do customers come in? What hallways are they walking? How do people move from zone to zone? All these questions can be answered with location-based analytics. If we go back here to what the mall looks like, what we notice is that we have these hallways, and it's multiple circles in the mall. A guest could come in any one of these entrances and make a left or make a right, and end up at the same spot. Then we have the food court in the middle. So, we could tell if a guest comes in through one entrance and goes straight to the food court, or from the main entrance and straight to the event. And those are the type of insights we receive from zone analytics. When we go back to this dashboard, we can look up specific questions. For example, over the last 7 days, where did that traffic come and where did it go? Now what's nice is that we can move this around for graphical representation, and we can see over the last 7 days that we had 2,000 people enter the main court. With this information, we're able to answer the question, where did they come from and where did they go to? If we wanted to see the majority, it was the North Food Court. A majority also came in from the main court and went into the North Food Court. Lastly, we can say that 300 of them went in through the source hallway. The source hallway, in this case, is also an exit. Here, the owner can see what the typical foot traffic would be in this specific area. That wraps up this edition of ExtremeLocation. Be sure to check out our other demo videos for more use cases. Thank you.